Welcome to another video on investing. In this particular video, I'll be talking about 5 golden rules you need to follow when you invest. The first rule on the list is the fact that you shouldn't invest money you need in a short-term period. What do I mean by this is, if you have money that you need to use in a couple of months time or in a couple of weeks time, you should not use that money to invest. Now, investing is a long-term process. If you invest money you need in a short term, you'll find out that when you need that money, you may be losing. Second rule is, if you need to invest, you need to understand what you're actually investing in. You see, investing is not gambling. You don't have to gamble your investment. You need to know what you're investing in before you actually jump in and invest. Now, the third on the list is the fact that some people invest thinking is a short-term goal. Now, investment is different from trading. If you want to trade, you can trade daily or weekly, short-term gains, and make that money. But if you want to invest, you need to go the long term. And in the process of going the long term, there will be ups and downs. There will be times when you'll be making money and there will be times when you'll be losing money. So that is my third one there. Now, the fourth one is, you need to diversify your investments. Not just invest in crypto. You can diversify and come out of crypto completely. Look into the stock market. Put some of your resources. Invest some of your resources in the stock market. Invest some of your resources in real estate. Some of your resources can go to bonds, and some can even buy commodities for yourself. There's so many investments out there. You can even create a business for yourself on the side, which is what you control. So there are lots of investment that you just need to diversify your assets. If one or two are not going on well, the next one could be picking up for yourself and you're making massive money from that angle. So that is one thing you should also put at the back of your mind, that you need to diversify your assets, not a particular asset. Now, I'm not just saying diversify your stock like buy Facebook or Microsoft and all this stuff. I'm saying not just invest in stock, invest in other assets like bonds and the rest. So that is the fourth one out there for yourself. So now the fifth one is, do not invest your 100%. Don't go all in. You need to keep some money for rainy days somewhere. Stack some money for rainy days. Do not go all in, invest your 100%, because you never know. You never know what can happen tomorrow. So you need that money as a backup, so you don't rush into the stock market or into the crypto market or real estate to start selling your property so you can make ends meet. Keep some money as a backup for yourself. So that's the fifth one for yourself. So these are my 5 golden rules out there for you. If you're new to this channel, I will encourage you to please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button.